Hello, my name is Clifford. I am an architect currently working as interior designer. I have 9 years of experience in providing architectural design, project management, and construction services. My main job responsibilities include managing design projects from concept to completion, preparation of working drawings, specifications, and BOQs, and sourcing out of materials which meet the project requirements. How I've got my first job is quite amusing. My senior once told me that a lady from her WhatsApp group has endorsed my CV to her, and she said that we came from the same university. However, I don't recall meeting that person. I'm still grateful to that person up to this day. As an interior designer, you need to have space planning skills, 3D modeling, um, connections with the suppliers because you will mainly do sourcing of materials and furnishings, and you also need to have project management skills like coordinating with the site and with the construction team. Most architecture and interior design companies are put strong emphasis in the candidates proficiency in AutoCAD, 3ds Max, V-Ray, and Revit. Some project management and consultancy firms prefer candidates who have clash detection experience, especially using Navisworks. We are currently working on mainly residential projects, which include villas and apartments, but we also have offices and commercial projects in line. For freshers who recently came here in Dubai, the expected salary ranges from 5,000 to 7,000 dirhams, but it depends on the scale of the company. If it's small to medium, usually it's 5,000 to 7,000, but it's a large company, it can be more than that, like 8,000 to 9,000. With 5 years of experience here in Dubai, the salary range is between 12,000 to 15,000 dirhams. The hiring process here in Dubai might take a long time. It might take more than 2 months. So you must be well prepared before going here. And you should start applying for job using the leading job sites from your home country. Securing jobs in Dubai is more effective when you network with people. So if you know someone who currently works in the construction and design industry, connect with them because it's proven more effective and faster. For interior designers out there, please follow Dubai Hirings so you can get updated about the latest job posts. And if you have any questions in mind, just comment down below and I will answer you. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you. Good luck.